Traditional media like watercolor or gouache are pure magic. And despite the fact that I've been creating more digital art lately, I just keep coming back to the good old watercolor paper. From vibrant watercolors, shimmering special editions, creamy gouache, and super fun markers, there are so many colors and textures to choose from. Yeah, sometimes too many. Hi, my name is Weronika. I'm an artist illustrator based in Berlin. And in this mini course, I will be teaching you about how to approach creating color swatches so that you improve your illustration creation process. So if you'd like to make better medium or color choices, this compact class is here to help you out. It will give you an overview of why it's recommended to make color swatches. Please be warned, color swatches creation is very addictive. And as a byproduct, you may start to see a rapid improvement in the final look of your artworks. We will briefly talk about types of color swatches, from simple washes to more elaborate color charts. However, the biggest highlight of this class will be to teach you the simple yet very effective method of using cutout swatches. The best thing is, this technique is accessible to absolutely everyone. It really doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you're more experienced in creating with traditional media. Join me trying out my new set of jelly gouache. We will make the cutout swatches together, and by the end of this demonstration, I will show you how I'm using the swatches to choose my color palette. The goal of this class is to help you gain more confidence in planning and executing your traditional media artwork. Let's get started and let's make some swatches together.